Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today I have decided to draw a face using charcoal powder. Trust me, this is the easiest way to sketch a face. I am using Camlin compressed charcoal stick. I made charcoal powder by rubbing the charcoal stick on sandpaper. I am using Camlin charcoal pencil for some details. Please follow me on Instagram. Link of my Instagram handle is in the description box below. Okay, coming back to the drawing. Be careful while applying charcoal, as sometimes you may get more powder in your brush and sometimes less. So it will ruin your drawing. So practice with this medium and with this technique before making your masterpiece. As I said earlier, be careful while applying charcoal. I had applied little darker shade on the forehead, so I had to do extra labor to fix this mistake. I am using larger round brush to give the face little darker look. Smaller brushes weren't able to give that desired tone or that desired shade. I have used mechanical eraser to give highlights to the face. Using more charcoal powder to give shadows. Using cotton wool to blend those harsh lines. I am using charcoal stick roughly on the paper to draw hair. I have used my finger. You can use sponge applicator to blend. Tombow Mono Zero Eraser gives you precise detailed highlight, so I am using this eraser to draw hair strands. I am using mechanical eraser for some extra highlight. Using kneaded eraser to give hairs a little softer highlighted look. I hope this video was helpful, and if you like this video then give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel.